Hey guys, so you're trying to figure out how many bundles are there in a square. Now I know there's a lot of videos out there that'll spend 10 minutes trying to explain this to you, but guess what? At Digital Roofing Innovations, we're always trying to find the easiest way to do things with our modern approach to traditional values. So let's hop into this question right now. And just so you know you're getting good quality information, my name is Zach Blinkensopp. I'm the owner of a company called Digital Roofing Innovations. I'm a licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. So, how many bundles are in a square? Well, typically that answer is there are going to be 3 bundles per square. Now, there are some weird shingles out there, like your very high-end presidential shingles that are out there, and some of your class 4 rated impact resistant shingles that sometimes can be 4 or 5 bundles per square. But the typical rule of thumb is there is going to be 3 bundles per square. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. And if you like our content at Digital Roofing Innovations, please give us a subscribe. Take care, guys.